Convert the background layer to a smart object. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate this layer. The bottom layer will be the background and the top layer the subject. Make sure the subject layer is selected. Go to Select, Subject. Add a layer mask. Select the background layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Amount, 25. Blur method, Spin. Quality, Draft. Select the layer mask of the subject layer and increase the feather to blend to subject with the background. Add a gradient map. Select or create a gradient. Select the subject layer. Go to Filter, Noise. Add noise. Pick an amount that suits your image. And that's how you create this effect.